If you're shopping for your dream engagement ring or another piece of jewelry you've been dreaming about, I'm going to tell you 6 secrets most jewelry companies won't tell you. For example, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can go from being able to afford a ½ carat diamond to at least a 2 carat, how to have the maintenance of your jewelry paid for a lifetime so it always looks like new, and how you could save over 50% on an heirloom quality engagement ring. If you're a guy shopping for an engagement ring, you're probably thinking, where do I start? Most of our clients check out their partner's Pinterest board pictures, ask family or friends, or go shopping together to get an idea of what she likes. We understand you need expert guidance. That's why at Bling Advisor, you'll be assigned an expert advisor that will guide you through the custom process stress-free, will answer all your questions, and will provide all the expert advice you need in order to finish with the ring you've been dreaming of. We know you don't have a lot of time to figure it out. Here's an example of why it's so important to book an appointment and have the help of an industry expert. This sounds crazy, but for example, I'm currently looking at an ideal cut F color VVS2 2.3 carat earth mine diamond that's being sold for over $37,000 at one of the most popular engagement ring retailers. But we're able to source the exact same grade with a GIA certificate, excellent cut, 2.3 carat ethically sourced lab-grown diamond for $5,900. That right there is over a $31,000 difference, and that happens every day for our clients. What could you do with that extra amount? Pay for a dream wedding, a honeymoon, or both? You get to decide. Our process has helped thousands of clients just like you who feel like they have no idea what they're doing and have no idea where to go. Maybe you've gone to a jewelry store and didn't feel the salespeople were that helpful or knowledgeable, or you sensed they worked on commission. When you choose Bling Advisor, you'll have an appointment with someone who actually makes rings and knows about them and not someone who just sells jewelry. Even after your purchase, we can take care of any maintenance or other jewelry needs you may have for life. But maybe you already do know exactly what you want and exactly how to get started. Congratulations! We love helping our clients who know exactly what they want, and with our large network of industry resources, we can help you design your dream ring and source the exact gemstone you're looking for to make the wisest investment. We have so many examples where we were able to source a much better quality diamond for the same price as a big name brand, or in other cases save clients thousands. Instead of your money going towards a company's overhead, we can help you invest your money into a bigger center stone and/or in a higher quality piece overall. And of course, you want the ring to impress your partner, their family, friends, and everyone who sees them wearing it. And your biggest fear is, what if she doesn't like it when you propose? You definitely don't want her to be disappointed in the ring you get her. But when you choose Bling Advisor, she will love her ring and it will impress her and all her friends. Not just because it's exactly what she wanted and it's so sparkly and gorgeous, but you'll be able to say you got her a custom designed ring. Instead of so much of your money going to the overhead of a big box store, your money will be invested into your ring, and you can get a better center stone, for example, because you're designing online. The benefit of our custom process is the computer renders and resin models that you'll receive to ensure the ring matches the vision you provided us with. Most clients share the images and wax model they received from us with the most important women in their future fiance's life, like their best friend, their sister, or mother. The wax model allows you to hold an exact replica of what your ring will look like in your hands and approve it before the final piece is created. Imagine all the bonus points you'll get and how her heart will melt when she sees how thoughtful you were to create something custom for her. When the ring's delivered, we always hear something like, "It's better than I could have ever imagined." With the wax model of your ring that you'll receive, if you can see it with your own eyes and hold it in your hands, you know you're gonna love the final ring. Maybe you're not worried about impressing anyone and you only care about you and your future fiance's opinion of your ring. Or maybe you don't care about a bigger stone and you're more interested in a unique design. We've had many clients just like you, and they were blown away with the final results of the ring we helped them design.
You may be thinking, I'm worried what quality I'll get designing online. How do I know the quality of the diamond I'm getting online? I want something I can pass down to my family. We would agree. Whether you buy online or from a brick and mortar store, there's good and bad companies. We always vet all of our online vendors before buying to make sure everything is the highest quality. You shouldn't have to sacrifice quality for convenience. By going with Bling Advisor instead of a big name brand company, you will get the same quality, or in many cases, better quality. We recommend the best care plan, metals, and design enhancements to ensure your piece can be handed down to the next generation. Bling Advisor works with companies that have been doing the custom work and jewelry repairs that the big name brand jewelry companies can't do, and so they outsource the work to us. We have repaired and restored thousands of poorly made rings with poor designs that didn't last, so we know exactly where jewelry designs need to be improved to be heirloom quality and last for generations. By using our online jewelry platform, you will get access to these jewelry experts to create your jewelry. Many big name jewelry companies cut corners to save on cost in order to create more profit, but Bling Advisor does just the opposite. We look for areas to add integrity and additional structure and metal weight so your jewelry will last longer. Certified diamonds have also leveled the playing field and removed quality concerns. We have a concierge diamond service with global sourcing platforms that provide a certificate on each diamond. And because you'll have a personal advisor and we have access to multiple gemologists working with the industry's best resources to locate the most bling for your budget, you don't have to worry. You think it's working well for you to go to a big brand store, but you're probably overpaying, getting something a million other people have, and getting something lower quality or poorly made. In our decades of experience, we have a lot of clients come to us with complaints about just that, quality versus price they're receiving elsewhere. Everyone wants the best quality they can get for the budget they have. Even if you're someone who loves and is completely confident shopping online, if you compare us to other online jewelers, some of the additional benefits of working with us are the exceptional personalized experience while designing from the comfort of your home and speaking with a real advisor who is in charge of creating your piece instead of someone who only sells jewelry. We know that you're going to be thrilled with not only the quality of your diamond, but the piece overall and being able to turn your jewelry into a family heirloom. Of course, when it comes to such an important purchase, you need someone you can trust with your engagement ring and jewelry. Our advisors have been working as industry insiders with major box stores and huge name brand companies for decades. If the industry trusts them, you can too. Our lead custom advisors have collectively over 100 years of experience. Many of the big name brands have outsourced work to us and consulted with us on custom designs. Think of jewelry brands everyone knows and that you've seen commercials on TV for. We've probably done work for them. So our clients come straight to us to get their work done instead of going to the big name brands and getting the huge markups. Likely you've already checked our website and know that we're trustworthy. Still, we want to show you our vast experience and background so that you feel even more comfortable with your experience with us.
One of the most popular things we hear from clients when they come to us is, "Can you make this?" Many clients can't find exactly what they want in any store or online. Clients often like different features of multiple rings that they want to incorporate into one ring, or they realize that rings sold in stores are one of thousands, and stores just stock another identical piece once it's sold. Bling Advisor solves this problem by incorporating all the design elements you want into one dream ring using CAD. CAD are digital images that you'll receive of your dream ring's design after you've scheduled your appointment and met with your advisor. Then you can make any edits or enhancements to these images with your jewelry designer until it's perfect and you get exactly what you want. When you do a custom design with Bling Advisor, you can get your ring designed exactly as you want to all your specifications. But maybe you just have one inspiration photo or a sketch for how you want your ring to look instead of several. This is perfectly fine. Many clients come to us with one image knowing exactly what they want, and we have brought that ring to life for them better than they ever imagined. You also may be worried your budget won't get you the diamond you love that's comparable to or better than what you've seen your friends and others have. And maybe you've heard that custom is expensive or you're frustrated because you've received high quotes. No one likes to compromise on what they want, but it is completely possible for you to get the ring you've been dreaming about. Bling Advisor has a fair, transparent pricing model and global sourcing platforms for natural and lab-created diamonds. Because of this, almost everyone is getting their dream diamond size and ring with us. On average, we save our clients 30 to 53% for the same quality or better than big name brands. You can have your dream diamond size for less than most people are currently paying, and feel good about investing your money wisely. Lab-grown diamonds give people the option to have their dream ring and diamond size and stay within their budget. After all, just because you spent more money on something doesn't make it better. Just compare what $1 million house looks like right now compared to 10 years ago. Now, we understand not everybody will want a lab-grown diamond, nor do we even believe that lab-grown diamonds are inherently better than natural. We do source both for our clients. What's most important here is the very real possibility of you getting your dream-size diamond and ring for the budget that you have. And that is possible for you when you choose Bling Advisor.
Here at Bling Advisor, we offer something I've heard of in the industry: custom jewelry packages. Our custom packages provide you extra value on your custom jewelry and save you over $700 from what you'll pay elsewhere. With your custom purchase, we offer a lifetime care plan backed by Jewelers Mutual that will take care of the maintenance of your piece for a lifetime and keep it looking new. Without a care plan, if something happens to your ring, you'll be responsible for thousands of dollars of repairs. If other companies do have a jewelry care plan, repairs and maintenance take several weeks or even months, while our turnaround time is usually 7 to 10 days. When you purchase your jewelry with us, we can take care of any maintenance or repairs in-house, all in one place for a lifetime. Or you can choose to go to an approved JM jeweler in-network to do the work wherever is close to home.
If you want to get a yes when you propose to the love of your life, have her family and friends dying over and admiring her ring, and join the group of people that are getting their dream ring now and living their dream with a lifetime of happiness every time they look down at their hand to admire their ring, instead of always thinking, someday, then schedule an appointment with us. Remember, it takes at least 4 weeks to make a custom ring, so book your appointment now.